Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can attach the wrist strap onto your Pocket 3. They don't make it very easy to do, so I'm going to show you how I was able to do it. So what you want to do is curl it up so it's real tight like that. You're going to insert it like so. Then you're going to go get a paper clip or a pin or something real small and long and sharp like that, where you can take and grab it in on this side here. Okay, then you grab a hold of it and pull it through like that. So it might take you a little while, but if you keep working at it, you'll end up getting it. Once you get it through there, then you just tie it around and make a knot. That way it'll stay on there. But that's how you get it through that little hoop right there. DJI, if you watch this, make this better and easier to do.